The TOMLOV TriL110 Coin Microscope stands out with its innovative triple lens design, allowing effortless transitions between magnifications for both professionals and hobbyists. With its exceptional coin lens offering up to 1,000 times magnification, this microscope provides numismatists with the ability to study coins in intricate detail. Its powerful soldering lens, reaching magnifications of up to 1,500 times, offers a stable and spacious workspace for precision tasks like watch repair and soldering. The advanced biological lens offers magnification levels from 2,000 to 2,500 times, making it ideal for observing microscopic details with remarkable clarity. A 10.1-inch IPS screen ensures an exceptional visual experience with vibrant colors and a wide viewing angle, delivering stunning image quality. The real-time HDMI and USB output options enhance the viewing experience by allowing connections to larger screens, perfect for collaborative environments.